When my wife and I were pregnant with our third child, we started running out of room in our home. We recognized that our life would probably be a lot more convenient if we purchased a bigger home. So how do you go about buying a bigger home and staying under budget? When buying a bigger home and making sure that it stays within your plans financially, you've got to consider these three things. The first, how much money do we have saved up? How much cash do we have in a checking or savings account that we're willing to put towards this transaction? I'm not talking about completely liquidating your savings or checking account. Obviously, if you're moving into a bigger home, bigger expenses and other things are going to come, like furniture or potentially painting or maybe some carpet or tile or redoing some appliances. So you need to consider how much you can put towards this, yet comfortably still have what you need in checking or savings. Number two, what is the monthly payment that you're comfortable with? This is extremely important. Obviously, you're going to be making a monthly payment to a mortgage company, and understanding what you're comfortable with, being realistic with that number, and having a plan prior to looking at homes is a very, very important step. Step three, well, considering the amount that you're willing to put down towards this purchase and considering the amount that you are willing to pay on a monthly basis will help determine this. What is the purchase price that you can comfortably afford? This is the hard part. You go and you start looking at homes and you're gonna find that, hey, if I buy a higher purchase price, I'm gonna be able to get more of the things I want. And you might talk yourself into potentially needing them. But the truth is, you need to look at your finances, and when you look at it objectively, say, this is what we're comfortable with, and sticking to that throughout the process. That is extremely important. Making sure that you can purchase a bigger home and still stay under budget means you've got to do step one, understanding what you're comfortable putting down. Step two, what you're comfortable with your payment. And then three, making sure your limit for your purchase price stays static. Just because you see something else that you like, just because you see something else that you might need, if it falls outside of that plan, you gotta stick with the plan to stay comfortable. Now here's the big secret. Here's the pro tip. Here's the thing that you can do to help buy an even bigger home and still stay within the budget. And it all depends on where you get your home loan from. Do not go get a loan from a retail bank. It is statistically proven that walking into a banking institution, you're going to get a higher interest rate on your mortgage loan. The higher the interest rate, the higher the payment. The higher the payment, the less of a purchase price you'll be able to qualify for. So, where should you get your home loan from? Go get your home loan from a local mortgage broker. Getting a loan from a local mortgage broker will allow you to get the absolute best rate possible. And the lower the rate, the lower the payment, the higher the purchase price you can qualify for. Yes, you need to consider how much that you're able to put down towards the house. You need to consider how much your payment's going to be. And those two things are going to lead into the highest purchase price limit you're gonna set for yourself. But if you want that limit to increase higher, the secret is to get the best rate possible. And to get the best rate possible, you'll use a local mortgage broker. Now here's the thing, guys. Don't make the mistake of meeting with a mortgage broker just days before looking at homes. What you need to do is meet with somebody as soon as possible. Here's what my wife and I did. We got pregnant. We knew we were gonna need a bigger home. We started looking into our numbers as soon as that happened. We had 9 months to plan. We looked at our finances and realized that there was a couple of things that we could do over that 9-month period to put us in a better situation, meaning the amount we were able to qualify for was increased as a result of some simple steps we took from planning early on. If you're in Arizona and would like to meet with a mortgage broker, we would be honored to help. Go to moneywellrooted.com and click schedule an appointment. We can meet with you face-to-face, video, or over the phone to go over your plans of the bigger home you'd like to buy someday, to give you the steps that you need to buy that bigger place but still stay under budget. Thanks for watching this video. Please click subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified about all the new content that we're releasing. We will promise to be giving you videos at least once a week. And if you'd like to watch another video by us, click down here.